Good morning, sir.
So today topic, like TDS, right? So I'm sharing the screen now. So please check from your end my screen is visible or not. You can able to see my screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So first I'm giving the definition, then after that I'll start the configuration. Any disturbance is there from my end or everything is clear actually? You are getting any disturbance?
No, sir.
So withholding tax means TDS. Okay. You can process in withholding tax for both vendor and customer view in SAP. And here in accounts payable, the vendor is the person subject to tax. Any idea why vendor is the person subject to tax? In accounts payable,
What, sir?
now here I mentioned, no? See, this TDS we can process for both vendor and customer in SAP. That is the first point. You understand that, right?
Yes, sir.
But here I mentioned one more point. In accounts payable, the vendor is the person subject to tax. Why?
Sir, at the end,
Because
vendor
he is
has
supplying the
that.
goods.
Correct. Because he is doing the business with us, correct? So who is doing the business? There are the responsibility for the tax, correct?
Yes, sir.
So now you understand this point, right? And
Yeah.
in
Yes, sir.
accounts receivable, the company code itself subject to tax. Any idea why?
So we are doing the business with the customer.
Correct. Yeah. So we are selling the product to the customer. So we are doing the business here. So in both cases, you can see here, in both cases, the business partner of the person or entity is subject to tax. So who is doing the business now? They are the responsibility to pay the tax. So you understand what I'm telling here, right?
Yes, sir.
So in the free time, I actually read it. Okay, I will show you up to this. In the free time, you read it and make notes. And one more important point here, as per SAP, withholding tax can be detected at the two point of time in SAP. So it can be either at the time of invoice or the time of payment. For example, if you have cash, you can pay the TDS payment in invoice also. In case if you don't have cash, you can pay the TDS in payment terms also. So there are two types of configuration I have to do here. That's why here I mentioned. So for this, withholding tax type have to be created, one for invoice and second for payment. Okay, so two types of configuration I have to do. One is for invoice and one is for payment. Okay. And here some journal entry as per the entry. So journal entries for TDS on invoice posting. Expenses account debit 1 lakh to vendor account credit 98,000 to TDS payable account credit 2,000. This is invoice posting journal entry. And for payment, vendor account debit 1 lakh to cash or bank account credit 98,000 to TDS payable account 2,000. This is for payment journal entry. Okay. So in this definition, journal entry, you have any doubt? In the definition, journal entry, you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we'll start the configuration. But yesterday we discussed regarding the timing. Okay. Yesterday actually I spoke to the batch actually yesterday morning. So they accepted now 9:30. Okay. So 9:15 to 9:30 tomorrow actually I will connect the call. So there are actually 13 students are there. So here almost 10 is there. Okay. So I match the batch tomorrow morning. So 9:15 to 9:30 I will start the class tomorrow onwards. Why I'm facing this error? Jagadish, in your server actually I'm facing the error. Why? It is not working right now. Jagadish,
So click OK and try again, sir.
Sir, I don't know, sir, what's happening. I think when I internet is not connected, so that's why I'm facing this problem, sir. Hello.
so first I'll go by path. Okay, so go to SPRO, IMG, financial accounting global setting, withholding tax, and extended withholding tax, basic settings. And here you can see check withholding tax countries, right? So why I am doing this configuration, see here only I have to decide which country tax I have to follow. Okay, so that is why I am doing the configuration here. So click on execute button and go to new entries. And here right now I follow as per Indian TDS, so update here IN, and description I am giving here withholding tax for your company code. What is your company code? I forgot. JLJL, right? JLJL or something. JLJL only, I think so. Update here
Yes,
JL.
sir.
And here withholding country. Here also I have to update here IN. Okay. But if I try to click on save button now, system it will save. Okay. So this is the first step. Okay, in the international tax configuration. So right now I'm following as per India TDS. And to come back from the screen, and the second step is go to calculation, withholding tax type, and here you can see define withholding tax type for invoice posting and define withholding tax type for payment posting. So I already told you the definition only. So two types of configuration we have to do right now. One is for invoice and one is for payment. So why I am doing this configuration like this? If you have cash in the posting time only, you can pay the TDS here itself. In case if you don't have cash, you can pay the TDS in payment time also. So that is why I have to do two types of configuration. So now we'll do this one. Withholding tax type for invoice posting. So select your execute button, and right now which country TDS I'm following, you know, IN, India. Update here IN. Click on enter and go to new entries. And here you can see withholding tax type, right? So here any two characters I will update here, for example A1. You can update any characters here. And here description I'm giving withholding tax for invoice posting. And here calculation you can see, right? So based on the business I have to select the option here. So for time being I'm selecting here gross amount. Okay, select here gross amount and click on save. So this is for invoice. The same thing we have to do for payment also. So come back from the screen and go to here define withholding tax type for payment posting. Click on execute, update your country here IN, click on enter and go to new entries, and here also any two characters. So here I'm giving now B1, and here description I'm giving withholding tax for payment, and here also select the gross amount, and here also click on save button. So this is the second step in the TDS. Then third step, come back from the screen, go to here withholding tax code, and here you can see define withholding tax code, right? So why I am doing this configuration here? So here only I have to calculate the percentage as per the government. How much I want to calculate the TDS, 10% or 20% or 5%, I have to decide here. Okay, so this is the area I am calculating the TDS percentage. So select here execute, update your country here IN, and go to new entries, and here withholding tax type. Already I created A1, update here A1, here also A1. This is for invoice posting, and the description I'm giving here withholding tax for invoice posting. And here you can see posting indicator, right? So this TDS is applicable for both vendor and customer. So select here one means standard posting vendor and customer. Okay, then here how much you are calculating the TDS. For time being I'm giving here 10%. This is all based on the business, I have to calculate the rate. So here you can give any rate as per your convenience. And here you can see base amount. Yesterday only I told you tax calculated always on the base amount. So always you give here 100%. Okay, and click on save. So this is for uh, which one? This is for invoice, right? And I come back from the same screen. Again go to new entries, and now I will update here B1. B1 for payment, you know that. Update here B1. So here I am giving now description withholding tax for payment posting. And here posting indicator, same option I have to select now. Standard posting vendor and customer. And here also I am calculating the TDS 10% and base amount always 100%. Okay, and click on save. So the next one, again come back to the main screen. Now the path again withholding tax, extended withholding tax, now company code. So go here, assign withholding tax type to the company code. So why I am doing this configuration? I already created A1 and B1, you know that. So that one I have to assign in my company code. Okay, so that is why I am doing the configuration here. So select here execute button and go to new entries, and here company code, here JL. So tax type I created A1, update here. This is for invoice posting, and select here vendor data. Vendor data means this A1 I have to assign in vendor master data. So that is why I am clicking here. And the tax calculation period I am giving here from 2021, 1/4/2021 up to 31/3/2022. This is tax calculation period in the business. Okay. Then after that we have to click on save. So this is for invoice posting. Then now we have to do for payment also. Select your next year button and the same thing, update your company code here JLJL. Now I have to assign here B1 for payment and select your vendor data, update your date. So which date to which date you are calculating the TDS from 1/4/2021 to 31/3/2022 and click on save button. Okay. After this, the next step I have to activate the TDS. Okay. Activate TDS, extend withholding tax. So select here execute button, click on position. Your company code is JLJL. So now I am activating the TDS in the company code. You can see the company code I am activating there. Why I am activating? Then only the TDS is calculating in the back end. Otherwise, if you are not activating, system throw the error. After activate only in your company code level, then you can see the TDS in the posting time. Okay, so this is very important. And click on save. After activating, we are getting one information. We are activating TDS. Click on enter, enter, and now the data was saved. So the next step, come back from the screen, go to posting, and go to accounts for withholding tax. And here you can see define accounts for withholding tax to be paid over, right? So here I have to assign the GL in this step. So which GL I have to assign here? TDS payable. GL I have to assign this configuration. As per you, TDS payable coming under assets or liabilities? Any idea? I have to assign this GL right now.
Liability. Liabilities.
Correct. Liabilities. Because that is tax we are paying to someone, right? So it is coming under liability. And now I will create one GL. So in the account groups here, select your current liabilities. Current liabilities coming under balance sheet. And a short text I'm updating here, TDS payable. Copy this. Here also copy the same thing. And go to control data. And this and all same. You have to select your line item display. And here you have to give short key 001 posting date. And go to create bank address field status group. I am choosing here G001 general. And here you have to select the post automatically option. So why I am selecting post automatically option here? This GL what I am creating now, it's picking automatically in the back end. So no need to select it manually. So that is the meaning for post automatically option. Okay. So this GL what I created now 101001 I have to assign that. So close the screen and go to this configuration. Define accounts for withholding tax to be paid over. Execute. Update your chart of accounts here JL. Click on enter and select here tax code and tax type and click on save. So here what I have to do, you can see here tax type and tax code what we created now A1 and B1 I have to assign here. So type here A1, here also A1. So this is for invoice and I type here B1 and here also B1, this is for payment. And here account means GL accounts. So what GL I have to assign? We already created TDS payable, I have to assign here. So select here TDS payable and here also assign the same GL TDS payable. Okay. Then after that you have to click on save button. So up to this, actually you have any doubt? Hello.
No, sir.
Okay. So now the last step in the configuration, goods movement. Okay, goods movement means, for example, if you are moving the goods from one state to another state or one country to another country, the tax is applicable or not? Any idea? If you are moving the goods
It's
from one
applicable,
place,
sir.
it is
Yeah,
applicable.
It's
imported
applicable.
export.
So that is why I'm doing this configuration. Okay, so here go to IMG Logistics General, and here we have to search where is tax on goods movement. Here you can see tax on goods movement, and right now I'm following as per Indian TDS. Select here India and go to basic settings, and here just you have to assign the company code. Okay, in India, go to execute button and go to new entries. So just update your company code here. That's it. Okay, don't do anything and click on save. So this is the last step in the consulting point of view. So now we'll come for end user. So this is new topics. So we'll create one new vendor. Go to XK0 and update your company code. Account group here JL. Enter. Select your company. So be online, don't disconnect the call. Some issue is there in the server. It will connect automatically now. So now update here Dell, your vendor name, update the vendor address, postal code, city Bangalore, enter now double time, and here select your reconciliation account, sundry creditors, and the short key you know already 012, vendor number, cash management group, select your A1, domestic payment, enter now, select your payment terms for time being 0001, enter and enter, and here assign the country. So now we are following IN, and here tax type and tax code means what I created the configuration you have to assign here. A1 for invoice posting and B1 for payment. You have to assign the vendor master and select your liability means tax is the liability for you, right? So select your liability and click on save. Okay, so now vendor has been created. So now I have to do the posting. Go to F-43 and update your document date and posting date here, and select your vendor now, Dell, enter now double time, update some invoice amount, for example 10,000. After updating amount now, so don't type the text immediately, So after updating the amount, just give enter. Then now we will get one box. See, the box is coming now. So here only I have to decide when I am paying the tax, invoice time or payment time. Okay, so now I'll pay in the invoice time means I have to update the amount, invoice amount here, but don't update the amount here. Then the concept is wrong. Okay, so this is the area we are deciding when I have to pay the tax. So now I'm paying in invoice time only. Click on enter, and here testing, and here 40, and here we have to select this one. Which one we have to select? Purchase account, and enter now, and update here star and plus, and go to document and simulate. So now you can see TDS is calculated. This is your invoice amount. So this amount goes to the vendor Dell, and this amount goes to the government 3 days. Simple. So this is a small topic. We understand up to this, right?
Sir.
So yesterday I told you the same logic here also. Tax always calculated on the base amount. Okay. We have to make notes that point. That is very important. So any doubt up to this?
No,
No
sir.
doubt, right?
No, sir.
Actually, one more point here. You have to make notes. One more topic is the APP that actually I can't able to do here. Okay. This topic you make notes. This is also coming under accounts payable, automatic payment program. So once I finish the class now, then this video is there, right? I will share it through Google Drive, this video, okay? APP, automatic payment program. See, automatic payment program means, for example, in F-53, how many vendors actually we can do the payment? Only one vendor, right, at a time. APP meaning multiple vendors I can do at a time, the payment. That is the meaning for APP. Okay, this topic you make notes at the end of the moment. Once I finish the class now, I will share the video to everyone. Okay, this is the
Okay, sir.
last topic in the accounts payable, APP, automatic payment program. Make notes now only. After completing the class, you tell me. I will share the video. You have any doubts or something today, or everything is clear? Because I have to go somewhere now.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
So it's in individual reversal. I'll just share my screen.
Individual reversal.
Yeah.
First of all, you have to go to this one. Which one? Um, you already posted the entry, right?
No, sir, it was not getting saved when I was trying to post. It was
Yeah,
telling no item is found in this category.
no items only.
Yeah. So you told that we should enter the item 5,000 was in the invoice, and you told to write 4,999 to reverse the error. And then here we choose 50 and the account number.
But here, what is the logic I'm telling here? Your invoice amount is 5,000.
Correct.
But you are posting now 4,999. So after
Right.
posting only, you will come to know I did the mistake. Right?
Yes,
I
sir.
will
So
have to like that.
yeah, yeah, I understand. So now we click enter, and then you told to press star and plus.
The plus is not working now because you are not updating any text there. If you are updating text, plus will come. So don't update plus here. Delete that plus. Only update star.
Okay.
Enter. Go to document and simulate. Save
And
it.
now click on save.
Yeah.
See, there is no item category assigned to account
No,
number.
No item category means this is new GL error. Okay. So what I'm
Okay.
telling now, go to SPRO, ING, SPRO, IMG, not at that one.
Okay.
This IMG is there, no?
This one.
Yeah. Go to this one, financial accounting new, and go to general ledger accounting new, go to business transaction, and go to document splitting, and go to activate document splitting. We are clicking definition.
Sorry, sir.
So uncheck that document splitting now. The tick mark is there, not that one. Yeah, uncheck that. Click on save. Now come back from the screen. No, 1 minute. Don't come back. Double click on deactivation per company code. Double click here
Deactivation.
and click on position. Update your company code and click on inactive and click on save. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now do the posting. Why you are sending love message under? Any reason? You are loving me because I am the government, so okay, no problem. Why you are sending love message? I also have the message. Anyway, I send from my end. Okay. I have an option or not, I don't know. For me, that option is not there. Okay. I think actually you are loving more now.
Should I write plus? So this time
If you are enter the text, you can type there plus. You enter the text the previous screen,
in previous screen. No, sir.
then don't give plus. Go to document and submit. Click on save. You are getting lot of error actually. The one error is resolved, one more error. Great.
Hmm.
No controlling area. Okay. Open one more screen now. Go to slash and OKKP.
OPKP.
No, OKKP.
Okay, KP.
And go to new entries and type here your company code here. Yeah, and the name actually type your name there.
Company's name.
Your name, whatever it may be, type your name only. And select here this company code area is there. No? Select that button. Select the first option. Controlling area same as command. Currency type you select now 10.
10.
No, see, enter
Huh.
now. Enter. Why it is not coming? So delete the 10. Click that icon, the box. Select now 10 company code currency. Hmm. So now here update now. Cost center standard hierarchy is there, right? Update there PR. After
Cost
fiscal
center.
year, after fiscal year I'm telling.
Huh.
Fiscal year. Type there PR. underscore
underscore
stdhi underscore std
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 d
hi h
h
I
I.
and double click on assignment of company code. In the left hand side you can see double assignment of company code is there, right? Double click that,
Hmm.
click on yes button and go to new entries and update here PRPR and click on save. Okay,
Hmm.
now double click here activate components and go to new entries and update the year 2021 and the cost center make it as active, not there on the icon.
Hmm.
You have to click the icon actually, drop down button, not there. Company code
This
not
one.
active, component not active is there, no.
Ah.
Yeah, select active here, click on save, enter. Now close this screen. I want to close this screen, only close this screen. Yeah, now go to the GL, now click on post, enter now. Okay, anyway you have to come back, again you do one more time posting /n, yeah.
Shall I post it, sir?
Yeah,
Okay, sir.
post.
Thank you. Yeah, I know it
Done.
from you.
Jagadish, I have to tell one more point here. See, if the people they are asking about my time is increasing, okay, so I will call you after 12:30. Okay? You got my point.
Okay, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
yeah, tell me
Sir, I have also yesterday I on WhatsApp.
what I didn't understand actually.
Sir, yesterday I have posted in the group, sir, that I am unable to create GL account.
No, who is facing the problem?
Sir, I
You
am Mintu is
you share your screen.
okay, sir.
You know how to share the screen, right?
Yeah, got it, sir. I have shared, sir.
Okay, so you are not creating GL only. First of all, I want to check OBD4. Open one more screen now. You know how to open one more screen, right? Okay, go to OBD4. So click on position now. 1 minute, wait. Don't do anything here.
Okay.
See, you created up to loans and advance as per me. But here one doubt is there. But still actually so many entries are there. Total I copied 28 entries. But you
Okay.
created how many entries now? CRCR your company code.
Yes.
CRCR. You created only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why? What about the remaining?
Sir,
In
I
CS
have copied
here,
only 5.
see, Minto, try to understand, Minto, you have to do end to end.
Okay.
Okay. Create another 23 entries now. In CS here, I'm seeing only how many? 5 only, right?
5 only.
But what about remaining 23 entries? Go to new entries, create one by one. Then you tell me, then I will tell you how to create the GL. Now don't do here. I'm telling after disconnecting the call, see my video, do one by one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Apart from that, actually, you have any doubt?
No, sir. No.
Okay. Because actually I have to leave now. I have one more batch.
Okay.
So if you have any doubt, please tell me in the WhatsApp group. Okay. So thanks to you. So
Okay,
tomorrow
sir.
morning at same time, like I'm merging the batch tomorrow. So 9:15 and 9:30, I will connect the call. Okay. So thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye.